Good morning, students. Today we are dealing with Plant Kingdom Part 2nd. In this we will deal with the different classes of algae. So in the last class also we saw this figure in which there are 3 classes. Now we will see the examples. The first A figure is of green algae. The A1 diagram, it is Volvox. So we can see many unicellular parent cells are seen. They form a colony and they divide to form daughter colonies. Then second is Chlamydomonas. It is a unicellular algae with flagella. Cara. It is also a green algae with axis and branches. Then the B diagrams are of brown algae. The first is Laminaria. So we can see that it has 3 parts. Hold fast, which acts like a root because it attaches with the substrate or surface. Stipe, it is like a stem. And frond, which works like leaves. They perform photosynthesis. Then second is Fucus. It also has air bladders, so it will float because it has air. And the third is Dictyota. The C diagram is of red algae. The first is Porphyra and the second is Polysiphonia. So algae has 3 different classes: green algae, brown algae and red algae. Now the first is green alga. They are also called Chlorophyceae because chloro means green. The second is Phaeophyceae, which means brown, and the third is Rhodophyceae, which means red. The first class is Chlorophyceae. In this, the plant body is unicellular. So mostly they are unicellular, single celled. They may be colonial, means the cells group to form a colony, or filaments. So some are thread-like, like Spirogyra. They are green due to chlorophyll A and B. These pigments are green in color and chlorophyll is found in chloroplast. The chloroplast may be of different shapes like a disc. So disc means a curve-like structure which had depression. Plate-like means flat. Reticulate, which means finger-like network. Cup-shaped, spiral or spring-like, and ribbon shape. So they may be flat as in Spirogyra. Most members have one or more storage bodies. So most members have storage bodies to store food. They are called pyrenoids and found in chloroplast. They have protein as well as starch. So pyrenoids mainly have protein. We know that starch is stored in chloroplast. Some algae store food as oil droplets. So there may be oil droplets also. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. So there are 2 layers of cell wall. The inner is made of cellulose and the outer is made up of pectose or pectin. There may be 3 types of reproduction: vegetative, by fragmentation, the parent body breaks into daughter, or by formation of different types of spores. So spores are also produced. Asexual reproduction is by zoospores. So zoo means animal or motile. So these are flagellated. They have a flagella and they are produced in bag-like structures called zoosporangia. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, in which both gametes are similar, anisogamous, in which both gametes are different, and oogamous, in which the female gamete is larger. Example is Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Eulothrix, Spirogyra and Cara. Here we can see Spirogyra filament, in which a single cell, if we see, it is covered by mucilage, then cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, and then we can see chloroplast. So chloroplasts are ribbon-like, zigzag, and each chloroplast has pyrenoid body. So we can see pyrenoid which store protein. In this figure we can see different types of reproduction in Spirogyra. The first is fragmentation. Second is by zoospores, they are biflagellate. And the third is by sexual reproduction, in which A diagram is isogametes, both are similar, and isogametes, both are different, and oogamy, in which male gamete is very small and female is large and non-motile, means it does not have flagella. The second is Phaeophyceae. So Phaeophyceae are brown algae. They are found in marine habitats, means in sea and ocean. They may be simple, branched, filamentous. So thread-like, example is Ectocarpus. They may be highly branched like calps. In the last class we saw the figure of calps. So they reach hundreds of meters. Chlorophyll A and C are found, due to which brown color is there. Carotenoids and xanthophyll are also present. They vary from olive green to shades of brown. So they have different shades depending on concentration of xanthophyll and fucoxanthin. So the amount, if it is large, then there are different shades, and if there is less, then they are of lighter shades. The food is stored as complex carbohydrates in the form of laminarin and mannitol. So they are stored substance. Cell wall is made of cellulose and covered outside by gelatinous coating. So it is covered by a gel-like coating. It is called algin. It protects the cell from dehydration. Plant body is attached to surface or substrate by holdfast, which is like a root. It has a stalk called stipe and leaf-like photosynthetic organs called fronds. The vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction is same, zoospores. Now zoospores are pear-shaped. So they are like the shape of a pear, means broad at the bottom, at the top, and narrow at the bottom. Biflagellate, so they have two unequal flagella which are attached laterally or on the sides. Sexual reproduction is of three types: iso, aniso, and oogamous. The fusion of gametes may take place in water. So the gametes may fuse in water or within the oogonium or the female part in some species. Gametes are pyriform, means they are of the shape of pear and they have two laterally attached flagella. Example is Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum, and Fucus. The third class is Rhodophyceae. They are red algae. They are mostly multicellular. So they have more than one cell. They have chlorophyll A and D and a red pigment phycoerythrin. They are marine. So mostly they are marine and found in warmer water, warmer areas. They are found at the water surface as well as at the depth. So they are found above the surface as well as at depth. Food is stored in the form of Floridian starch. It is a form of starch. It is similar to glycogen, which is stored in animals. There is another substance which is called amylopectin. It is also a stored carbohydrate. So Floridian starch is similar to glycogen as well as amylopectin. Vegetative reproduction is same by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction involves non-motile spores. So we must remember that here the spores are not motile. Sexual reproduction is by non-motile gametes. So there are no flagella. There is only oogamous sexual reproduction. And complex post-fertilization developments take place. So after fertilization, complex developments take place like development of embryo. It is very specific. Example is Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Gracilaria, and Gelidium. Here we can see the three classes, a comparison. So first there is common name, then major pigments, stored food. So in Chlorophyceae we can see starch. Phaeophyceae there is mannitol and laminarin. In Rhodophyceae there is Floridian starch. The cell wall is made of cellulose and green algae. cellulose and algin in Phaeophyceae, and cellulose, pectin and polysulfate esters in Rhodophyceae. The flagella number and position of insertion. So there are 2 to 8 equal flagella. They are apical. Apical means they are attached at the tip. In green algae, there are 2 unequal and lateral flagella in Phaeophyceae or brown algae, and they are absent in red algae. Habitat. So green algae are found in fresh water, brackish water and salt water. Brackish water means a area where salt water or marine water joins with the fresh water, whereas sea joins with a river. So they are slightly saline. Phaeophyceae is fresh water, rare. So they are rarely found in fresh water. They are found in brackish water and salt water. Rhodophyceae, some are found in fresh water. Mostly they are in brackish water and salt water. They are found the most. So this is a comparison of different types of algae. Okay children, thanks.